In this topic, we are going to learn about the number line. A number line is a visual representation of numbers arranged in order from least to greatest or vice versa. It's a useful mathematical tool for understanding the concept of magnitude, order, and distance between the numbers. You can see the number line here. At the center, you can have 0 here, and from 0 to right, you can see all the highest numbers, like increasing numbers that we call as positive numbers. And from 0 to left, you can see all the decreasing numbers, and we call it as a negative numbers. So from 0 to right, increasing, and from 0 to left, it is decreasing. So you can use this number line to compare two different digits, like which one is greater and which one is smaller, like that. So for example, if you want to compare 2 and minus 3 here, so from 2, you will see where is the 3 coming. So you can see the 3 is coming in the decreasing direction, right? So you can write it as 2 is greater than minus 3. That means minus 3 is lesser than 2, right? Okay. Now, if we compare minus 4 and minus 1, so look at minus 4, and from minus 4, where minus 1 coming? It is in the increasing direction, right? So I can say that minus 4 is less than minus 1. Likewise, number lines can also be used for addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and other complex mathematical operations. Here we are going to discuss about the addition and subtraction. So let's see here, 4 plus 6 is equal to 10. So you will be choosing 4 first, and see that whenever you add, you can see the numbers value will be increasing. So you have to go to the increasing direction and add 6 digits with them. So I'm going to add 6 digits. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the 6th digit is 10. So 4 plus 6 is equal to 10. Likewise, you can do the subtraction here. So here the question is 8 minus 5. 8, you will be choosing 8, and you know that for subtraction, we will be going to the decreasing direction, right? The numbers value will be decreasing, so you have to go to the decreasing direction and reduce. You will be going 5 digits back. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5th digit is 3. So that is how 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. Now, how will you plot a fraction in a number line? For example, 3 by 7. For that, you will be having a number line from 0 to 1. And you can see there is a space between 0 and 1 here. And you have to divide the 0 to 1 space into equal divisions. So what division you will be dividing that one? It will be divided into 7. That is the denominator of the proper fraction that we have here. Okay. So if you divide the space between 0 and 1 into 7 division, 1 will be considered as 7 by 7. So all other divisions becomes 1 by 7, 2 by 7, 3 by 7, 4 by 7 likewise. So it's easy now to choose 3 by 7 here. So that's how you will do that one in number line, fractions, okay? And next we will see how to plot decimals in a number line. So suppose you are going to plot 0.3 on a number line. We know that 0.3 lies in between 0 and 1. So you have to take a number line that starts from 0 to 1. And in between you will be having 10 divisions. And each division will be 0.1. So you will be adding each time 0.1. Second time you will be adding again 0.1. So it will become 0.2. Then 0.3, 0.4 like that. So now you can easily plot 0.3. Let's see some more questions here. The figure shows 4 numbers marked on the number line. 1.2, 4, 1.9, 2.5. Find which of these numbers is represented by the letter C. So C you can see here, and it's coming in between 2 and 3. Right between 2 and 3, right? So you can see the point is greater than 2 and lesser than 3. So the value that comes here is 2.5. So B is the answer. Which of these arrows represents minus 45? So it is a minus number. So you know that which direction of the number line lies minus numbers. They will be going to the decreasing direction. So you have to look at the decreasing direction from 0. Here we have 40, minus 40 and minus 60. And you know that minus 45 will be in between minus 40 and minus 60. So we have one more number here that is not shown, that is minus 50. Again you can choose that is in between minus 40 and minus 50, and that will be our B, right? So the answer is B. On the given number line, AB is equal to BC is equal to CD. If AC is equal to 24, then what is the length of the CD? 24 by 2. So you can see here AC is equal to 24. So if you want to find out AB, that will be 24 by 2, that is 12. So if AB is equal to 12, CD also 12. So the answer is 12. If the point P values on the line is minus 4 and the point Q values on the line is 5, then the midpoint of the segment PQ would be between which two numbers? So P is equal to minus 4 and Q is equal to 5. So you can see the distance between P and Q here, right? And what you have to find is the midpoint of this PQ segment. That means you just have to find the distance between the midpoint of the distance between P and Q. How do you find that? For that you have to choose either P or Q, and from there you will be counting the divisions between them. So I'm going to choose Q here and I'm going to count the divisions between them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it is 9 division. So if you want to find out the midpoint of this one, that is 9 divided by 2. And that is 4.5. So you have to see where the 4.5 coming. Again you have to count 4.5 from the Q. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 4.5 will be here in the middle. So which number is coming there? It is in between which numbers? 0 and 1, right? If this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4 and 5. So the number 4.5, that is the midpoint of our distance between P and Q. So it will be coming in between 0 and 1. So which is the answer here? B is the answer. If a new point P has to be added to the number line exactly halfway between points X and Z, where would be it located? So P has to be added to the number line exactly halfway. So halfway means again we are finding the midpoint. Midpoint of what? Midpoint of X and Z. So X and Z is here. If you have to find out the midpoint, you just have to count the digits in between them, like the division lines here. Okay, so I'm going to choose Z here, counting from there 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 by 2, right? Halfway you have to find, that is 8 by 2, and that is equal to 4. So 4, you have to count again 4 from Z. 1, 2, 3, 4. So where is exactly 4 coming? Minus 1. So the answer here is minus 1.